to my BP data tracking template explanation video. So the purpose of this video is to just give you a brief overview of how this template works. And if you want more information, please email me and I am happy to support you in making your own template. So this would work well if you as a whole grade level want to be able to track how your students are doing in each of the competencies and in each of the domains. So this first tab is called an overview sheet, and the great thing about this overview sheet is you as a teacher and as an advisor never have to actually input data into this section of the spreadsheet because this data is all coming from other parts of the spreadsheet and it's auto-populating for you. So here you'll see under inquiry that I've already written this and there's already data in the inquiry tab, so that's why it's populating here. So I could just look, my advisory, their names are over here, and I can see like, oh, the student is proficient, advanced, etc. And then the line just means that they are not yet proficient or advanced. So I'm going to show you what a blank template looks like. So here is where you could fill in your students' names, their advisor, or their class period, depending on how you want to do it. So then again, there's an overview section on each of the templates, and the purpose of the overview section, again, you're not actually typing data in here. Any of this grayed out section is all going to be auto-populating for you, but it gives you a quick snapshot of how your students are doing in each of the domains in your competency. So over here, let's say that my first artifact or project that I'm doing is about rhetoric. I'm going to put that as the title, and then I would just type in how my students are doing in each of these areas. Oh, that's really unrealistic. So let's say that they're developing on this first opportunity. So I would go in and I would fill in my data, and you can also hand type this in. You don't have to pull it from the drop-down menu, but the purpose of that is just to make sure that it will auto-populate over here. So then what you'll notice is it's starting to auto-populate in this overview sheet, and it's just pulling the data from anything to the right of this black line. So that's great. The first time they were totally developing, then maybe the second time they got some proficient parts in here. And what it's going to do is it's just going to keep auto-populating in this overview sheet. So then you'll notice that more parts of the overview are green because it's going to take the highest number in each of the different domains. And then once a student gets to all proficient, what happens is it should tell you that they now have they are proficient, and so then that would auto-populate into the overview sheet that I showed you previously. But that way you can quickly see how your students are doing. So just to give you an overview with some real data in here, you can see in math there's a lot more numbers, a lot of different colors, and then the math one is currently pulling from here into the overview sheet. So if you want to do something like this just for your class, please reach out to me and I'm happy to help you create a template. Actually, you don't even have to create it. You can just make a copy of one of these and it should all be formulated for you. Have a great day. Bye.